Step into the time machine with me in today's tutorial as we explore the popular 1980s filter trend on TikTok. Ever wondered how you'd look in the retro vibes of the 1980s? Well, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to unravel the magic. Begin by launching the TikTok app and navigating to the search bar in the top right corner. Type 1980s filter and voila! Dive into posts showcasing this trendy filter. Choose a post that catches your eye and discover the CapCut option. Simply hit try this template and then use template in CapCut. After a brief moment, hit use template once more. Select your preferred photo from the gallery and click Next. After a short wait, witness your transformation into the 1980s. To save your masterpiece, click Export. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more captivating tutorials.